Okay. Introduce yourself.
Oh shit.
I'll be CHAZ Bird. And I'm Michael Bratcher.
And we're gonna do a pig squeal video. I've seen a bunch of these on YouTube and they're kind of appealing, but I know I can do it better than anybody else.
And I am just starting out, kinda, but working on it.
We're working on it. Okay. I'm gonna hold a high. He's gonna hold a low.
Low.
That's as simple as it gets.
Penis.
The JJ.
And for any of you watching, you should check out my band page,
www.myspace.com/Eyes of Exile.
That's EYESOFEXILE. My bad.
Oh shit.
This over here
CHAZ.
is the star.
That's 3 out of 3. That's 3 out of 3.
Oh.
Make it easy.
They're okay. They're not bad. Yeah, but anyways.
I'm Jables the drama.
Yeah, he's,
CHAZ.
okay.
Let's put on
Anyways,
my head,
what we want you to
bro.
do
Oh, damn it.
is if you dig our music, tell your friends. And not only that, we want you to send us a picture of yourself to put in our fan album. Because we love you.
Adore you.
Oh yeah, and you should probably, like, you know, write EOE or Eyes of Exile somewhere on your body. Make it extra sexy.
Super
Or not.
sexy.
Just send us a picture. And, hold on. Okay. Comment, please. And don't make fun of the funny faces that we make. Because everybody looks like an idiot when they pig squeal. I mean, that's...
Yes,
they kind of...
lips are out like this and we like to pucker up.
And they pretty much sound like idiots, too.
Because we
But-
pretty much are idiots. That's what you get for smoking a lot of weed. Oh, sorry. Wasn't supposed to say that.